This is the bar at Drinkstuff store and pour range. I dread to think how many of these I've got at home from sort of event bartending days when we used to do that. These are, so you can, first of all, you can buy them as a pack of 5, of which you get them, or you can buy them individually per colour. So you can buy the green one individually, the yellow one individually, orange, white, red, and so forth like that. But as I say, pack of 5 to start you off. Colour coded is kind of important. The obvious use for this would be just take these 3, for instance, lime juice, lemon juice, orange juice. You could go pineapple juice, you could go cranberry juice. I've done homemade sugar syrup and things like that. Essentially, what they are, let's just take the green one, for instance. They come in 4 parts. I know there's the couple of things missing off the basis in there. I've just brought these through from the studio, from the showroom down the other end. Essentially 4 pieces. What they've done to store, when you come to store, so these are a litre in size, so what's that, roughly 35 ounces, give or take, but roughly a litre in size. These screw on, so when you go put these away at the end of the night or the end of the party or whatever, you can put your lids on, put them in the fridge, and the cool thing, just to sort of demonstrate this, they stack on top of each other like that, so you can kind of have 2, 3 in your fridges very, very easily there. So easy to clean in that sort of sense. That goes on the bottom as well, so you can quickly, easily see, but then also for cleaning, if I can get it out, yeah, these just pop out really, really easily as well on top and pop back in. So that's the bar at Drinkstuff store and pour range. As I say, 4-piece, the lids, the pour spout, and those 2 bits there. And they come in 5 different colours. Buy them individually, buy them on their own. So if you want like 3 or 4 greens and 2 yellows and 1 orange, you can buy them like that. They're genius. I've been using them for years and I swear by them.